Yuhua stainless steel covers a total area of 150 acres, has over 100 steel pipe production lines, and more than 200 sets of supporting equipment for pipe fittings production. With an annual output of various stainless steel pipes and fittings exceeding 1 billion yuan, has obtained certifications for the ISO 9001 Quality Management System and ISO 14001 Environmental Management System, and ISO 45001 Occupational Health and Safety Management System, further meeting the needs of different customers, having standardized production processes and professional technical team, hitting full plate with technological advantages. Technology is integrated into every link of production, introducing advanced international pipe manufacturing technology and intelligent equipment. All production lines are equipped with processes including online internal leveling, online solution annealing, eddy current testing, hydrostatic testing, and pickling surface treatment. These processes ensure the excellent quality of products and lay a solid foundation for high-quality manufacturing. We dare not slack off in quality control at all. Strict and rigorous inspection and testing. We take every detail seriously. We are dedicated and responsible for every process. Equipped with internationally advanced inspection and testing equipment and instruments such as German spectral spectrometers, metallographic analyzers, hot and cold water circulation testing machines, and quality certificates are issued. Conduct specialized testing on material hardness, strength, temperature, and other aspects, and issue quality certificates. Check at every level, strive for excellence, ensuring consistent product quality. Independently develop and produce stainless steel decorative pipes, industrial pipes, water supply pipes, and gas pipes, stainless steel fittings such as clamps, rings, grooves, welding, etc. Obtained over 30 patent certificates. The ultra-large-scale assembly line greatly improves production efficiency. The daily output of the production line reaches 80 tons, effectively ensuring product supply. Strive to provide the highest quality at the lowest cost. Provide the best service at the fastest speed possible, while providing high-quality products. We also pay attention to the experience that after-sales service brings to our customers. Establish a professional technical service team with 24-hour rapid response. Provide comprehensive technical guidance. Let you feel more at ease while using the product. Each product is guaranteed by China Life Insurance at all times. What we offer is not just a policy, but also a responsibility. Yuhua Stainless Steel, guardian of urban health water.